Okay, y'all. I'm pretty nervous, but I'm breathing it out. I'm gonna go for transferring these bees from the nuke box into their new home that I hope they're gonna really love. So here we go. Completely removing that one. Take a couple of these frames out of there because I don't need a whole lot of extra space. This one doesn't have anything in it anyway. Sure doesn't have hardly anything in it. Oh wow, some of them are already in here checking it out. That's cool. I was told to leave this little sugar syrup so that the drip goes in between the two things. I think now that I'm about to get in there, I'm gonna go ahead and protect my face. Because if I am gonna get stung, I would rather it not be in my face hole region. This is a very fancy face screen that I've got going on here. It's a dollar store shade hat that I got with a mesh laundry bag that I use for mushroom hunting. I am doing this first thing in the morning in hopes that there'll be a little more chill with the coolness of the morning. Wow. And there they are. They are all over that queen cell trying to break her out. This makes me very nervous. I'm about to reach my hand into a bunch of bees. You think when I grab the queen, they might get like upset?
Where is the queen cell?
Right here.
Yeah,
like,
just do it gentle like.
Okay.
You might get a hand sting, but if you put it down before that, like you can just rest it on top of the other one for now. Like put it on the same spot on top of the, yeah, just like on top of the frames or whatever.
Yeah, I'm wondering, do you think I should go for moving the frame first or moving the queen first?
Where is the queen gonna ultimately go?
I think the queen should ultimately go right here, kind of near the food. One of these has honey in it. This one has honey in it.
Mm-hmm. You can always shake off the bees, like literally just take it and shake them off if you need to, like.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just like, just flick them off, you know? Into the hive or something too, if you want. Where's the plug, the unplugged part on the back?
I don't even see a plug on here.
Are you sure there is one? Normally it's just like they have to eat through it. Like I see like a little sugar.
I think there was cork there and they've eaten through the corks.
Really?
That's kind of what it looks like on this end. Like I see a little circle where there might have been a cork.
Okay, you don't know my thought?
Huh?
Take the queen thing, just rest it on top here, right here, right? And that way you have space to move the other.
Yeah, I want to move this frame into here.
You can do that pretty easily. What you do, you just kind of like,
Okay, guys.
there are a couple defender bees.
Which ones are the defenders?
Ones that are kind of like
buzzing around,
checking you out as you go to touch something. And
I love you all, ladies. I love you so much.
like you just, there you go. Yeah, perfect.
Oh, sorry if I squished one. I didn't mean to squish you.
It's okay. Bees get squished in the process. That's how it's hard not to kill bees, and how not to get stung, because bees end up getting squished.
He said it's like a fingernail. He said one bee dying is like trimming a fingernail.
Yeah. It's definitely a hive mentality. So now you should be able to.
Done your shake them off the box technique.
I'll just leave it now.
Look, they're super interested in all that comb, though.
Yeah, just leave that. And then next, we'll just literally go in, take that, and lift it out.
Thank you for your moral support.
Yeah, dude, for sure. You ready?
Yeah, let's tag team.
Drop it in there. Oh. Put it in there. There you go.
Whoa, dude, we did it! We did it!
And that's all you gotta do?
Wow, I feel like a beekeeper. Whoa, hey guys, come on, chill. Chill, chill. I'm your friend, I'm your homie.
The sooner you get the rest of that comb in there, kind of the better though. If you get the rest of the frames in there. I would go for the ones that they're actually on. Like the two on either side of the immediate, like put the two in there. Like put these two frames in those two spots.
Oh yeah?
The ones that were on either side of the
the
one where all the brood is, because that's where they're gathered.
I don't want them to have plastic shit though. I'd kind of rather shake them in there.
You can totally do that too, but it already has. Oh, it's totally plastic foundation. I see what you're saying.
Yeah, see, cause like, and there's these that have like good shit in them. Like
okay, then
these two.
Then what you should do before you put those in there? Yeah, that's good shit, dude. You're right. Put one in there, and then literally just fucking pick up those things and just shake them into the hive.
This one has honey in it, right?
Yeah,
Is that honey?
and it's good to do the honey on the sides because that's normally where they put the honey, and they put the brood towards the middle. So if you put the that on the far side.
I love you, ladies. Oh my gosh, I love this. Yay, we're keeping bees.
Woo!
Ugh,
It will be
plant
really
that
great to have bees
nursery.
here, man. Pollination.
Pollination nation.
And then you're literally just gonna pick up the other two frames and just literally just like shake them, like take it. I would pick them both up and then take it by the kind of sides and then literally just shake shake it into the hive because you know there's nothing on there that they'll like. There's nothing on it that they really want. Yep, just like that. There's a lot more. Keep going. A lot more. A lot more. 2 more times. And then you can even hit it against the wood, like lightly. Yeah, like that. Yep. And then you just leave the rest on the side and they'll kind of go to it. Maybe point it upright so they can like climb off the, like just leaning up against the side of the hive. Perfect. Yeah, that's fine. They'll find their way. Now the rest, most of them made their way into the hive already.
Wow, now I'm gonna give them a second to calm down after that little shock of like, oh my gosh, it's going down.
Yeah.
Just let them chill.
Right now, these bees are like, "Yo, where's our mom at?"
They started
and they're
drawing
like,
some comb onto the.
"Yeah, I see that." They didn't like it at all, so they drew their own comb onto it.
Yeah.
Every beekeeper I know gives away their plastic things because they don't want them. Oh, look, see how these bees right here are putting their butts up in the air and fanning? You know what that's doing? That's telling the rest of these bees that this is where it's at. This is where the good shit is at. This is where y'all gotta go.
This is the good. Oh, look, your homies love it.
Yeah, when they put their butts up like that, that's like a thing for the other bees to come and join.
Okay. Take another breath. Okay.
Real quick, can you let me know if there's a bee in my ponytail?
Not through the mask. Oh, yep. I think it just flew out.
Cool.
Okay, and then I should shake this other one in there, huh?
Yeah, just that last one, and then the rest. I bet we'll find their own damn way in there, man.
I feel like I should drop another one of these in there, though, right?
Yeah. Real slow and gentle, like.
Yeah, so that they can move out of the way.
Yeah, exactly.
Love you. Whoa, one of them just buzzed by my ear. Like, whoa, like, what are you doing, sucker?
Uh-huh.
I'm trying to help you out. Don't worry, I promise.
Just gonna move this one, because we don't really... What I'm thinking is, like, what you could even do is take out all the other frames. Take out all the frames.
Uh-huh.
And then also shake the box into it if you wanted to. You know what I mean?
Uh-huh. And we'll just leave these frames.
Yeah, since those are just chilling.
Around.
There's only a few bees on each of them, really.
Right.
And these other guys. They'll find their way. Oh, a little elderberry over here, huh? Bunch of nice elderberries.
Oh, yeah. That's an elderberry. This is forsythia. With the yellow flower.
Yeah, true.
Okay. All right, ladies. I know it's been a adventurous, crazy journey. But you're home now. You're home. You're in your new home. This is not your new home. But you're about to be in your new home. The rest of your tribe is like, the rest of your hive is already home.
They're already starting the party, you know?
They're settling in. They're finding their spaces. and I love you. I want you to know that I love you. Oh, sorry. Oops, sorry. It didn't even sting me. It just bumped my hand. One of
And you
them
got
just
nervous?
flew and head butted my hand, and I got nervous. I'm sorry. Oof. Okay.
It's all good. It happens.
And then I need to hit my buddy up and be like, yo, this queen cell, they chewed away the corks that were on there. What do I do?
A lot of bee activity right there. I'm not really in a great spot.
And we in a tight spot.
So now you're gonna put one on top and leave space.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think this one I'll
Okay.
put on top, and I'll put the ones.
I think it's actually a small frame, a small box, technically.
Yeah, and I'm just gonna leave enough space. Cause I don't know. I wonder if they'll get through that queen cell. If they'll get the queen out without me removing the corpse. See what I mean? That little round circle.
You'll have to remove that one. It looks like that one on this side is not sugar, right? It looks like quartz.
He said there was a cork on both ends. One of the ends has sugar.
Does he know which end has the cork on it? Or which end has the sugar? Like which end they actually need to eat through?
I think I need to shake the bees off of that queen.
Yeah, you can just pick it up and shake them up. There's only a few, man. Oh, but also don't hit the queen. You don't want to shake that, actually. Because the queen, if you could brush it, though, a light brushing with your finger, you can get the bees off.
Yeah, I wonder if I just was to blow them with that. No.
It doesn't work that strong. I've tried it. This is the benefit of having a light smoke, is they do get it kind of suppresses their pheromones and they don't really know what's going on. So they get more docile.
I wonder, do I just grab it and look at what's going on there?
Probably. I'm trying to look from this side too.
So I very carefully removed the cork from this end with a little piece of screw. Okay guys, okay ladies, chill. Here to help, I promise you that. Still kind of hard to avoid that instinct to like shake and freak out when there's a bee on you, but I'll get it. Practice makes better. It looks like I can fit 2 more. This is a full size frame, huh? I can fit 2 more of these half-size frames. one has a plastic foundation, so not so sure I want to keep that, but whatever. Keep it for now. I kind of want to give these bees another tap into the hive. Sorry for all the excitement, ladies. Yahoo! So, first mission with beekeeping, great success. No stings, only a couple squished bees. I think all in all, I did pretty good. I'm very happy with this. Yahoo!